Hi guys.
Hi.
We are going to Marine Drive.
Go to Marine
We
Drive.
got vlog for shit, but see foggy specs.
We are waiting for the other ugly car to come.
Yes.
I mean the car filled with ugly people. The less cool
yeah,
car. The less cool
the
car.
less cool car.
We should ask them to
that's
also
what-
vlog. And then we'll have like 2 episodes.
Yeah, we can compile everything.
And they'll be all nice.
Maybe.
They're like, oh guys, they're waiting for us. हम लोग उधर इधर discuss.
Dude, yeah, it's been so long. कहाँ पे हो लोग पता नहीं. We are vlogging.
Guys, so we are vlogging in our car.
You guys also vlog.
I don't think they can hear us.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
Are you guys following me? हाँ, cool.
Okay,
चलिए फिर.
bye.
Let's go. सुने नहीं बोलता हूँ. ऐसा ये vlog का हो, you have to actively be.
So these are our friends in the other car.
Really, I'm not your friend.
Not you, the other car people.
I'm telling you, I'm not your friend.
The other car people. You are this car person, you're not the other car person. And we can see. I can't flip the cam. I can't flip the cam when we are
So you have
paying
change है ना
70
उसको, नहीं रहेगा उसके पास.
Change is something that's inside the thing.
अच्छा मेरे को 20 bucks दे.
Jeffrey, do you want to show your name plate off?
दिखेगा भी नहीं.
आगे नहीं होगा. Okay, नहीं दिख रहा है. But we will take another shot to show everyone who is watching, which is just us. It's going to be us eventually. But it's fine. Okay. We are going to the ceiling. Stay tuned for some A+ shots.
Content.
Yes, it was
It's
content.
content. They're vlog.
We've taken out the selfie stick, tripod stand thing.
The
And
content
hopefully-
creator car.
And copyrights.
Demonetized. Instantly.
It's fine, like we'll get some 2 cents from this video.
No, they'll take it down.
They take the video down?
Yeah, they take the video down.
Depends.
What's up, Jeffy? So we are talking about how mornings are underrated. And
I feel like we're in a content creation house or something.
जब सीधा जाना ना, सीधा
हाँ,
जाना.
सीधा.
this is a content car.
Content car, yes.
Yeah.
So a little bit about me. I went to Manipur.
These are content creation guys.
Later do it. कहाँ जाना है?
Foggy Chashma.
Follow the road, follow the road.
Can you see the fog? Alright. Okay.
No, actually, I'm on the same group. It's fine.
नहीं, but
Okay, so these are our friends. We'll blur out the plate.
License plate
Yeah, license
numbers.
plate number.
Yes.
मत करना, क्या फर्क
Few
पड़ता है?
million people will be watching and they'll be dogs.
Yes.
Yes.
I am.
Hi guys, what's up?
This is our favorite person in the group.
I don't
And
care.
Vedant.
I'm here after 9 months. I don't give a shit.
I'm not here. Say hi.
Dude, nobody has mask on. I know this person.
ये लोग का दोनों का बहुत है. Okay. I don't know. I just felt like it. Vedang is clearly very excited to be in the vlog, which makes me happy. So we can see the moon, which everyone wanted me to vlog. So Sharmali is taking a picture of the guy.
Stop being vlogging.
Hi guys, we've made a new friend.
Nice.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
What do you want? What do you want?
We are all looking at one person.
What?
It's on him.
I'm not a pet dog either.
Nikam?
Say hi.
I thought you were showing him the photo. Not really because you're also.
Hi guys, we are going to go eat now. This is everyone. Say hi to Srinidhi with the pretty mask. Thanks Angad for posing, but I didn't know how to set it up. It's so yellow.
Red car, दोनों ready है. And was shining on my face. Okay, speak. Advait, you are also there. You also speak. Tell me ready.
Right. Ready था बहुत time से.
Hi. What's happening?
We are vlogging.
Hi.
Advait is acting all cool, but he's failing.
Awkward because I don't know what's happening.
Angad wants to talk to the camera is what's happening. Angad hi के आगे कुछ बोल ना.
बात करती है, interrupt करती है.
Oh sorry.
So, we had Marine Drive.
Yeah.
This is Jeffy.
Yep. Hi Jeffy.
There's Srinidhi.
Srinidhi.
She's dressed up as a Hindu Baba. Srinidhi, say hi. That is Vedant. Doesn't matter. That's Sharmini. Say hi. It doesn't matter. That's Sharmini.
Vedant has said hi to the vlog like 6 times now. Angad is This is Advait hiding. Okay.
This car 1. This car 2.
This was the cooler car.
And I'm Angad. Thanks for watching. 500 rupees fine for feeding pigeons in Thane.
Hey, first time 500 rupees, second time जो हाथ से feed के हाथ काट.
I'm giving. Woo! Sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. We have lots of chips.
तो थोड़ा उधर जाओ.
Oh, sorry.
Camera face में.
Yeah. Give. You also give.
Angad, don't.
They will
Bro, they
harass you.
No, that's not the bro. He's going to sit.
Remember how I felt?
dude, they are so nice. They are not doing anything.
मेरे सर से मत Whatever takes your Tanvi, I told you.
I think crabs.
Crabs the
I am barefoot because I'm cold. Oh, even Srinidhi is barefoot.
Someone dropped their mask.
Hey dude, Jeffy saved the lace.
Guys, so we are at the somewhere in Marine Drive, basically, and there's Thane written on it, so we are very happy about that. Guys, are you happy about us finally getting recognition?
Oh?
See, Thane is written over there.
Yeah, dude. Represent.
Vedant is sending pictures to his friends.
I'm sending proof to all my friends. We the real OGs.
I have to be like this to get you in the. Oh, Srinidhi, what are you doing? Srinidhi? Srinidhi!
Rescue Srinidhi, she's trapped. Srinidhi, don't. Good, Srinidhi, come here. Srinidhi, come here.
Srinidhi is not some crow that you're giving her lace. Give something nice.
We caught her back with snap.
Oh! Bye bye, Marine Drive. Guys, so while we were coming back from Marine Drive, Uncle was joking about hitting cyclists and he hit his own car on someone else's car.
Yes,
So
that's how
that's
bombs
how-
work. That is exactly how.
I'm telling vlog the story of how you hit the other car.
Wait, Yes, tell what happened.
I just told them.
Bola.
So basically we were joking about like hitting other cyclists and then that happened. With another car, not with a cyclist.
Yes, and that car.
That's not
that
a
car
cyclist.
hit
Vedang,
me.
where's your mask?
It's not here, Tanvi. I don't have it.
Shame.
No.
Shame.
Don't publicly shame me.
See, we are all wearing. I'm taking a video.
She's taking a video. Oh no. What should I keep?
Nice question.
Say something.
I refuse to be a part of this.
Why?
I thought it was
Did you enjoy today?
No, not really.
Yes.
Family just being nice.
Okay.
Origin.
Our options
what
are
is the-
yes, no ID.
What was the worst part of today? I think it was Tanvi. I agree. Yeah.